Hey fatty! Today I'm going to explain how my snake diet is ramping my metabolism up to the point where I can't even fucking gain weight if I tried. And that I'm eating so many calories that it actually goes against fucking mainstream science, because there's no fucking way I should be able to eat this many calories and not get fat as fuck at the body weight I'm at. So here we go. Calorie calculators. So here's an old school calculation I used to use. It takes a bunch of math into account and got simplified down to this. So maintenance calories, that's the amount of calories somebody needs to maintain their body weight. Okay, so I'm 171 pounds. So I go 171 times 14 to 16 calories per pound. 14 basically if I'm lazy as fuck. 16 if you're quite active. And that gives you 2394 to 2736 calories per day for maintenance. Okay? So this is a good starting point number I used to use. Calculator.net. Now this is one of the calorie calculators off the internet. It's a little more complex. MyFitnessPal, all those fucking calculators are going to give you about the same answers. And these calculators will take your age, height, and weight into account. So my age is 34, my height's 5'7", my weight is 71, and here's the numbers that spit out. So for maintenance, if I exercise 1 to 3 times a week with moderate intensity, 2,302 calories I'd need for maintenance calories per day. Exercising 6 to 7 times a week, which is pretty hardcore, very active, I would need 2,888 calories per day to maintain my 171 pound body weight. Now this was a crazy setting on this specific calculator. So this is like training like a fucking Ironman triathlete or some shit. So 3,181 calories per day if I was training until my bones crack is what I put. So in reality, I'm probably training somewhere between here and here. Like I basically do 2 hard cardio sessions a week. Like a half a mile or a mile swim, or maybe a half a mile's worth of sprints in the pool, and then maybe like a mile run or something like that. Nothing crazy. And then I train probably 3 times a week weightlifting and my powerlifting workouts. If anybody knows how powerlifters train, they're lazy as fuck. So high intensity, not crazy volume, but not bad. So anyway, it's not crazy. I don't train that fucking hard, okay, is what I'm getting at. And here's what happens with me because of my fucking diet. I ate plus 3,500 calories per day for 7 days and did not gain a pound. This goes against fucking science according to all the shit I read. If I was eating, anybody eating 3,500 calories a day, training as moderately as I do, should be getting fat as fuck. There's no way I should be able to maintain 171 pounds, okay? My metabolism in the last 3 weeks has got so ramped up because when I first started this diet, I was eating more around here. I was eating, more around 2,700 a day. But then, as I got harder and harder into the diet, and plus I also throw like the odd 36-hour fast in there, and I'll eat a huge meal, and just to kind of shake up my body a little bit. But my metabolism is fucking crazy right now, and I'd actually like to meet somebody that's my body weight that is actually eating this much food and not getting fat. Like, it's a lot of fucking food, and I take 0 supplements, 0 protein powders, 0 fuck all. This is fucking straight up food. Okay, this is unheard of shit. And this is what the diet does. It ramps your metabolism up to the point where, seriously, if you're eating in an hour to an hour and a half window every day, you can't get fat. You can't. So now, I'm actually trying to cut down to 163 pounds for a powerlifting meet in like a month and a half. And at 163, all natural, I'm going to be fucking lean as hell. And I'm still going to be eating probably 2,300, which again goes against the rules. Because at 163 pounds, I should be putting on weight eating that much. So, the moral of the story is this fucking diet ramps your metabolism up like fucking crazy to lose weight. And everyone get that fat in you. And if you want, even go on, find calculator.net and do the math yourself with what I'm doing. I do not train that fucking hard. Like 3,500 is insane. I know guys that are twice my size that eat that. It's because they're eating fucking all day long, 6 meals a day, which is the worst fucking thing you could do that fucks your metabolism, like I said in my other video. So everyone have a great day and get that fat in you.